Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can bypass Windows 11 system requirements for your older PC. In case your PC doesn't support, there's a new method how you can do it. So let's get started and see how you can do it. It doesn't matter if it's TPM 2.0 or CPU is not supported, it will work anyways. So the first thing is here to go to your browser, and here we will scroll a little bit down, and we have to go to this site right here. This is the official Microsoft website. So we click here, it's gonna scroll all the way down, and we click here on disk image. We click on this, select download, and click on Windows 11 multi-edition. Click on download now. And now here we need to select our region or language of our Windows, because this step is very important. You need to verify which kind of region or language you have on your PC, because if you have on English, it's international or United States. So how you can see which one do you have? In order to find it, we click on start and type in PowerShell like this, and you have to click this run as administrator here, or you can right click and click on run as administrator, and here make sure it says administrator right here. And here we need to type this command here, get-winsystemlocale, and we click on enter. And as you can see here, I have, this is very important, this here, and this one, this name is n, as you can see, /us. As you can see here, name is this one, and this is the English United States, and this is the display name United States, as you can see here. And now you just have to look for this and put exactly, as you can see, English United States, and click on confirm. And just make sure you put the correct one in order to save your files when you upgrade to Windows 11. Now we can close this, and here we're gonna click on this 64-bit download, and it will ask us to save. And here we'll have the downloads here. As you can see, it will take several minutes. Now another thing that you need to download is here, this is the 7-zip. If you have WinRAR, then you don't need this, but here is the 7-zip. We click here on download, we go again to this website, and we click on download here, and again install, and again just download this program. Now here you will have these two files. Now here you will have these two files that we downloaded right here. Now we need to go here on this zip file, we double click on it, and just click on install it as any other program, and you should have the 7-zip installed. And now to open this ISO file, we need to go here, click on it once, right click on it, and click on open with. We click on it once, right click, and click here on 7-zip and open archive. Now you will have this here. Now I suggest you to make a folder, create a new folder. So right click and new folder here. Now I suggest you to do new folder, right click here, new and folder, and we're gonna name it Windows 11 right here, and we double click on it, and now we just select everything here and we extract these files, all of these files here, and we're gonna wait for all the files to be extracted from here to this folder. And after the files have been extracted in this folder, so we extract on the folder that we created, we double click on it to open, and then here we're gonna click on sources, and then we're gonna scroll down until we see this file right here, this one, app racers, this one. Right click on it and click on open with, and here show more apps, and here we're gonna select the notepad and click OK. Now from here we're gonna select everything. So we're gonna scroll down and select everything from here, or you can just press Ctrl+A to select everything and delete. So just press backspace or delete, and we're gonna go to file here and click on save. And now we close. Now we go back to this and click on setup, double click on it, and the setup should be starting to install Windows 11. Now here we're gonna click on next, and after that, if you did everything correctly with the language and everything, as you can see here, if we click on this, it will keep all your personal files. To keep your personal files, click on next. If you didn't do this correctly, it will not save your files. You need to select the correct language for Windows. Then when you set up everything here, you click on install and it should begin to install. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you next video. Bye.